Haka dorbar mang Tyngka jongka yang dorbar tawan ke jala menjaga singka santari ku benai lebar ara jarar pesan na kaliang menteri romba ke jala Conrad Sangma ulapan benah haka budget speech ke jongu ya ke CM scholarship scheme na ke benta ki kena pule jongka post matrik ke jala Lyngba da ke jeng mang Tyngka jongka central scholarship ya ke ba uwe pa uwe Khynnah Skul jongka post matrik kin sayo Henry hajar Tyngka man laos nam Lyngba da ke ne ke scheme.
Dear friends, I am happy to inform you that today in the budget session I have announced a new scheme which is meant especially for our young students. It is called the CM Scholarship Scheme. This scheme is in addition to the central scholarship that you are receiving right now. Through this scheme, we will be providing 6,000 rupees per annum to all students pursuing post-matric courses. I also would like to clarify that there have been certain delays in the post-matric scholarship which you receive from central government. The delay is mostly because of the delay from the central government side in releasing the funds. We are doing our best to persuade Government of India to release these funds on time so that you can get it. But I hope you understand that this is not fully in our hands. But we will do our best to make sure that in the future, the central scholarship that you are supposed to get should be released on time. But in addition to that, as I mentioned, this new scheme is being launched, which will give 6,000 rupees extra to all students pursuing post-matric courses. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.